Hello guys, welcome back again and welcome to our first day of 3 days graphic masterclass. So in this video I'll be showing you how you can create a simple flyer. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First we are going to get our background. We're going to the background side and import our background from gallery. The resources I will be using now, you can get it from the description button below. Okay, let's adjust our background a little bit like this. It's okay. After bringing in our background, I'm going to bring in a shape like this. I'm going to adjust it, keep it here. Okay. After putting it here, we are going to lock it. So after locking it, we're going to type in text. I'm going to type in, let's say, it's going to be Monday. Let's type MON and let's go here and increase the size. Something like this is okay. Then we are going to change the font. We're going to get a better font. Let's use this font. This font in particular, you can use it. Okay, after getting the font, you see we're going to come here to line our spacing, increase the spacing a little bit like this, then come back to relevant position to centralize it to the middle. Then you're going to copy it again. Okay, then you edit and type D like this. Make sure it is in the center. Let's centralize it like this. Okay, I'm going to centralize the D. I'm going to increase. We're going to move it to position to up. It's like this. Make sure they are aligned. Then come to spacing again. Increase the spacing of the day so that it will go in match with that Monday. Something like this is okay. Make sure they are aligned. Alignment is crucial. Let's adjust it like this and position it. After position it, see we have Monday, right? We're going to lock down Monday again. We're going to bring out the shape again like this. We're going to reduce it here to something like this. Then you increase the radius to like 10%. And then come here, come to color, change the color to, let's use yellow. Let's use yellow and keep it here like this. Then you're going to type. Let's type it. Okay, let's leave it like this. Then I'm going to bring it to the middle so you can see. I'm going to keep it here. Let's change the color to black and change the font. Let's use a font, a calligraphic font like this one. The font I use is in calligraphy. Okay, you adjust it in the middle like this. Then you use the position it in the middle of the shape like this. Okay, so after typing in it's Monday, we're going to bring out this image. We're going to import this end like this. Okay, then we're going to place it here. Let's reduce it a little bit. We're going to place it, make sure it's not covering the Monday. Let it be like this. Okay, and here is how you can create a simple flyer. Then I think you are done. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. After you have finished the design, you can save it as image. Come here, save it as ultra, save it to gallery. If you have any question, you can drop it on the comment section. And if you are done with your design, you can feel free to use any element you wish to. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.